We did not know what awaited us until it was too late. Horror on the Orient Express was inevitable. Anyone could have been the cultist. No one was to be trusted. Accusations were made all the time, but the cult wasn't our only enemy. The truth was unspeakable. Hideous, nameless, blasphemous, yet we had to fight it nevertheless. The entire train became our responsibility. The unlikely group of investigators, each with their own background and skills. We had to talk to everyone on the train to uncover the truth. And to face an ancient evil. Our losses were catastrophic. Our sanity, our safety, even our lives. As the cursed engine plowed through the madness of the dreamlands, everything seemed to work against us. We felt we stood no chance against it until you arrived to rescue us from this evil. Horror on the Orient Express, the board game. From Chaosium, back it on Kickstarter.